You want to be like a Christmas tree. Remember that.
Okay.
You want to be that way that everyone will see you.
Okay.
So now you're ready.
Okay. Montgomery traffic 20283, departing runway 14. Speed alive. Rotation 60.
General center line. There you go.
Okay.
Montgomery traffic here, QD0, approximately 6.5 miles out on 45, down 140.
Cessna 010, use caution, additional Cessna inbound, just called 5 miles.
Okay, we're looking for that traffic.
Scout 26499, copy, report, right midfield downwind, use caution, Cessna just departed runway 23 heading westbound.
Alright, we're report right midfield downwind for 23 and I'll have an eye out for the traffic 26499.
430 Bravo Zulu, midfield right downwind, runway 23.
Xerox 0 Bravo Zulu, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear to land, 23, 430 Bravo Zulu.
Intentional aircraft this frequency, use caution. There appear to be 2 hot air balloons to the east-northeast of Fredrick Airport. Start your base turn, you're following the traffic, that's number 1 to the field, short final, runway 23, cleared for the option. On the go, make left close traffic.
Roger, number 2, and we got that traffic sight, clear to land 23, and we'll make left close traffic. And Tower 1019 is ready to go to
Less yoke, more rudders.
System 11019, Frederick Tower, hold short, runway 23.
Short 23, 1019.
Frederick Tower, prepare on 4697 Quebec, it's 10 miles over the Middletown Water Tower.
Up, keep it up. There you go. Perfect. Beautiful. Full stop. Okay. So we're looking for the next yellow line. Expedite.
Report 2, traffic right base, and site 1 Victor Alpha.
Aircraft. Calling over water tower again.
Fredrick Tower, Skyhawk 2083 in front of signature, looking to depart east.
Skyhawk 20283, Fredrick Tower, correction on Fredrick ground, runway 23, taxi via Echo Alpha, cross 30 Alpha.
Taxiing Echo Alpha, crossing 30 at Alpha 2083. Fredrick Tower, Scott 20283, ready for departure 23.
Skyhawk 20283, Fredrick Tower, on course approved, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
On course approved, clear for takeoff 23.
Oh man, this is amazing.
Everything, man. It's bright and clear.
Fredrick Tower information, Tango, time 2147 Zulu, wind 260 at 3, weather rather 5005, temperature 8, dew point.
Montgomery County Airport. Automated weather observation, 2235, Zulu.
Very good, I'm glad I was checking the passenger. You never know. Maybe he is having party over there.
Yeah, right.
Maybe he's using the lavatory. Right? Montgomery traffic, Skyhawk 20283 is 3 miles, actually, sorry, 2.5 miles on the 4514, Montgomery.
Steers 542 Sierra Foxtrot is 6 miles to the west. They'll be overflying the field. 200 to the left downwind, runway 14, Montgomery.
Montgomery traffic, Cherokee 21803, turning final, runway 14, Montgomery.
Right, rudder, up, hold on. Out. what
I
happened
see.
is you pulled too
I'm
much.
too high, yeah, yeah.
Right? So, just careful.
Yeah. I didn't think it was just go up that high.
It can. I mean, you had a beautiful approach
Yeah,
just
right.
over shoulder.
Yeah. Usually I got to pull so hard, and this, you know, didn't have to pull anything.
is left base
Amazing.
Montgomery traffic in 572 Tango has left base traffic in sight. We'll follow behind you here.
Montgomery traffic, Sirius 542 Sierra Foxtrot entering the left downwind runway 14. I see the base traffic, not seeing the traffic entering downwind.